Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to go about pairing a new device using the built-in Bluetooth technology on your Android phone. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. All you have to do is open up your Android phone and select the setting gear button. So go ahead and open that up. You may have to swipe up the menu in order to see the setting icon, and then you would want to select connected devices and then select pair new device should be the option at the top here. And then you go ahead and make sure your device is visible and connected to your Wi-Fi network. So make sure it's available to be able to be paired, of course. If your device is not discoverable, it will not show up here. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys, on how to do that. And that's pretty much it. Just have to wait, let it load up on this list, and you should be good to go. And then you can also see save devices under here by expanding the drop down on that. So like I said, pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.